Here at DunRite, we get the question asked all the time, are Andersen windows worth it? Or, what's the best window for my house? Now, there isn't just an easy answer for that, but I always have a follow-up question. What's your plan with the house? If you plan on being there forever, then you need a forever window. Let me show you this product over here. The Andersen 100 series, by far worth it. You get the most bang for your buck with this product. 2 times stronger than vinyl. You can see here a nice, clean, sleek look. It comes with many multiple colors, interior and exterior. It's gonna be stronger, durable, and more energy efficient. You do have a true screen option that you probably can't even see from there. It is a very smooth operating window. Comes with that 2010 warranty. 2 times stronger than vinyl product, with a fantastic finish. We are able to offer many frame types with the Fibrex product, whether it's a block frame, a stucco cutback frame, or a jump frame. Whatever kind of installation you need, whether it's a new style installation, we can achieve it for you. It'll last for a lot longer than any of your other vinyl products. It'll look better and look new for many years to come. Give us a call so we can see what product's gonna be best for you.